In today's video, we're going to walk through how to set up Wix Bookings so your clients can schedule services, appointments, or classes directly on your website. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever tried to manage your schedule through DMs or email and text all at once, you know how messy that can get. Wix Bookings gives you one place where people can see what you offer, choose a time that works for them, and then pay online without any back and forth. So in this video, I'll explain what it is and go over the main features you actually need to know about it. And then I'll give you a step-by-step tutorial so you can set it up on your own site. Let's get into it. Now, let's start off with the basics. Let's talk about what it actually is first. So Wix Bookings is an online scheduling system built right into the Wix platform. Instead of using a separate booking tool or trying to track everything manually, you can just turn on Wix Booking and let the site handle appointments for you. When someone visits your site, they can browse your services, pick a date and time, fill out any information you need, and complete payment in one flow. Behind the scenes, Wix Bookings adds the appointments to your calendar, sends confirmation emails, and can send reminders so people don't forget their session. It works for one-to-one services like coaching or hair appointments, as well as options like fitness classes, workshops, or small events. You can also manage staff schedules, assign services to different team members, and sync everything with your external calendar so you don't get double booked. Because Wix Bookings is part of the Wix ecosystem, it connects with Wix payments, email marketing, contacts, and member areas as well. This means your booking system, website, and client lists live in the same place instead of being scattered across different platforms. I just wanted to quickly touch on a couple of key features before we get into the step-by-step tutorial. So the main strength of Wix Bookings is that it turns your services into clear, clickable options on your website. You create a list of what you offer, and each service gets its own page with a name, description, price, duration, and location, and you can choose whether it's an individual appointment, group class, or a reoccurring session. You can control how people book with you. You can decide if they have to pay in full when they book, pay a deposit, or book without paying and handle payment later. You can also set rules like how far in advance someone has to book or cancel. And then on the scheduling side, you set your business hours and blocked off times in the dashboard. You can connect your Google Calendar or another calendar so your online availability reflects your real schedule. If you have a team, you can add staff members, assign services to them, and let clients choose who they want to book with. For the client side, Wix Booking creates a simple booking flow and clear call to action buttons like book now or schedule appointment. You can place those CTAs on the homepage, service pages, or even the site menu so people always know where to click when they're ready to book. Okay, now let's get into how to actually set this up on your website. So if you don't already have a free Wix account, we do have a link down in the description so you can get set up with a profile and an account for free. So once you click that link, you'll just go ahead and enter in your email address, and then it will prompt you to set a password and get logged in. Once you're in, what we're going to go ahead and do, we're just going to select this site. To create a new site, you would just click create new site. Okay, so we already have this booking calendar right here because we already set that up. If you want to go ahead and download it, you can just click app. You can search the App Store, and then you would just type in booking. And as you can see, this is Wix Booking and it's already installed, but all you would have to do is go ahead and click here and install it if your website does not have this. So now we're going to go to the actual booking. Okay, so as you can see, you can go ahead and just create a new service right here. So maybe it's an initial consultation, maybe it's fitness coaching, maybe it's nutrition coaching, okay, a meditation session, if it's a class, a course, whatever it may be. If you want to start from scratch, we also can do that. So let's just say one-to-one coaching call. If you want a tagline, you can add this. You can go ahead and maybe say, this is a single session to help with nutrition coaching. Okay, now you can say 1 hour. If you want a buffer time, maybe you want 5 minutes before and after, or maybe 10 minutes before and after, you can do that. Now for the price and payment, you can charge per session. You can charge with a plan. So if clients buy a membership or package to book sessions with, or a per session or with a plan. So with a one-to-one call that you're going to charge for, you want to have them pay per session. If this was going to be like a 6-month container, it would come with, you probably select plan. Okay. Okay, now you can select a fixed price. So maybe we want to say like $249. Now you can add the payment preferences. So entire amount online, they're going to do it in person, online deposit, then the rest in person. So let's go ahead and do the entire amount online. You can add a location. So if you have Zoom, you can go ahead and click add, and you can add your Zoom link right there so it automatically populates. If you have multiple staff members, you can assign it to someone specifically. You also can add a cover image if you would like. If you have some sort of Canva cover that you've created, you can go ahead and add that there. Now the booking policy, you can go ahead and create a new policy and add it right there. You also can add intake forms if you would like as well. And then booking form, the default booking form. So you also can create a new form if you would like. So maybe on the form, first name, perfect, email, phone number, country, region, address, any specific detail. So maybe we want to add a question here that's like, what is your main focus point? Maybe nutrition plan, maybe it's relationship with food, just finding a healthy balance of food. Maybe it's, weight loss specifically, right? Okay, so now we've got that saved on there. Okay, and maybe for this message, it's just, please add anything else you need me to know. Okay, we'll make this a required. Actually, maybe we'll make that optional. And then maybe we want one more question of, maybe we want a long answer of, please write out what you'd like to accomplish during our session. Okay, any specific goals, etc. Okay, and now we can go ahead and save that. Now we've got our form ready to go. What's also really cool is you can manually approve or decline booking requests, or you can go ahead and just automatically. Okay, so now we've got it. We've got the one-to-one coaching session, $249, 1 hour. We've got our location would be Zoom, and we can go ahead and click save. So now, as you can see, this availability is Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Maybe we want to go ahead and edit that. Cool, so let's make our default hours. Maybe we only take calls from 12, maybe we do 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, and we can go ahead and save these as default hours. If you want to create a specific work schedule, you can also do that too. So now that we've got all of that set up on the back end, we would just add it to our site. So maybe this, we want to send it to the booking page in a new window. Okay, now if we preview, now we can view our site, and then it will bring you to the booking page. And then you can just click there and the booking page will open. So that's why I love Wix, because they make it so simple. They pretty much walk you through everything. So yeah, they just make it super simple, and they pretty much walk you through it step by step. Okay, so now that you understand what Wix Booking is and how to use it, let's go over some of the pros and cons. You can decide if this is something worth investing your time and money in. So starting off with the pros, you manage everything in one place. Clients can book whenever it's convenient for them, even if you're asleep or away from your phone, and automatic confirmations and reminders reduce no-shows. The integration with the rest of Wix is another big plus. Your booking system, contact list, and website live together, which makes it easy to see who has booked and what they purchased and how often they come back. If you decide to run email campaigns or member-only content later, you also already have the foundation built in. On the other side, there are trade-offs. Wix Booking requires a business or e-commerce level plan, so you'll definitely need to upgrade if you're currently on the lower tier plan. Payment processing fees still apply through whatever provider you choose, and the design flexibility of the booking widget is somewhat limited compared to fully custom solutions. You can adjust the layout and colors, but you can't redesign every detail without getting into code or external tools. If your business has very complex scheduling needs like multiple locations, rotating resources, or advanced reporting, you might find some of Wix Bookings options to be a bit simple. But it does do a great job for most small to medium service businesses, but very large operations might outgrow it over time. Okay, since you do have to be on the upgraded plan, I did want to just show you what the different options are. So they've got a bunch of different options. They've got everything from the light plan to the business elite plan. Right now, you can save 50% off from the core to business elite plan, but that won't last forever, so just make sure you're paying attention to that. One thing I also wanted to mention too is with each of these plans, you get a free domain for 1 year and a 14-day money back guarantee. And of course, there's no Wix branding as soon as you upgrade. So with the Lite plan, you get, the smallest amount of collaborators, storage space, and the Lite marketing suite. And then once you are upgraded, you've got the core plan, which is $14.50 per month. And that's at that 50% off. With this, you get more collaborators, a bit more storage, an upgraded marketing suite, and then you can also accept payments in basic e-commerce. So just note that the Lite plan, you cannot accept payments and has no e-commerce function. Then we've got the business plan, which is $19.50 per month at that 50% off. Again, more collaborators, more storage, an upgraded marketing suite, and then upgraded e-commerce as well. And then lastly is the business elite, which is $79.50 per month. And that is with that 50% off. With this, you get 100 collaborators, unlimited storage space, the most advanced marketing suite, e-commerce, and developer platform. So pick a plan that fits your needs. You could always start off with the Lite, and then as soon as you want to upgrade, you can go to the core plan. Just so you know, with the booking, you're not going to be able to accept any payments for the booking widget unless you are on the core plan at the minimum. But even right now with that 50% off, it's less than the Lite plan anyways. So pick a plan that best fits your needs and allow it to grow with you. Whether you use Wix Bookings really comes down to how you like to run your business and how complicated your schedule is. If you're a solo service provider or you run a small team and you already use Wix for your website, it makes a lot of sense to keep bookings inside the same platform. Wix Bookings works especially well for coaches, trainers, salon owners, tutors, photographers, and small studios that really want a professional way for clients to book online. If you need deeper customization, advanced reporting, or plan to move your website off of Wix in the near future, you might want to compare Wix Bookings with dedicated booking platforms before committing. I know that setting up online bookings can feel a bit intimidating at first, but once you walk through it step by step, it's actually very straightforward. If you want to check out Wix Bookings for yourself, we do have that link down in the description below, and you can go ahead and get access to a free account. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your very first website with simple tools and easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.